Few things get your heart racing, like the excitement of a new Garmin Instinct release. The excitement for the Garmin Instinct 3 is growing among adventure lovers and gadget enthusiasts, with CES 2025 coming soon. With leaks hinting at exciting features and upgrades, outdoor enthusiasts and tech fans alike are speculating about what Garmin has in store. Let's talk about what the Instinct 3 could bring to the table. Could this rugged powerhouse redefine outdoor smartwatches? The Garmin Instinct 3 has been the subject of leaks suggesting exciting new features that could redefine its category. According to insider reports, Garmin is likely to release two versions of the Instinct 3, a standard model and a solar variant. The latter is expected to leverage Garmin's PowerGlass technology, which offers extended battery life by converting sunlight into energy. This feature has been a game changer for adventurers, and significant improvements could be seen in Instinct 3. Additionally, the leaks hint at Garmin Pay being a standard feature across all Instinct 3 models. While this contactless payment feature has been a staple in Garmin's higher-end devices, its inclusion in a rugged series would mark a notable upgrade. One of the most debated rumors surrounds the display technology. The Solar Edition is expected to retain the memory-in-pixel display, which is ideal for power efficiency and visibility under direct sunlight. However, some speculate that the standard model might shift to an AMOLED display, a move that would offer sharper visuals and more vibrant colors. While an AMOLED screen could attract a wider audience, concerns about its impact on battery life persist. The Instinct 3 is also rumored to introduce new navigation tools, including Climb Pro, a feature that provides real-time information on elevation changes during climbs. This edition would cater specifically to mountaineers and hikers. Fans are also hopeful that topographic maps, a feature found in Garmin's Fenix line, will make its way into the Instinct series. Another exciting possibility is the inclusion of a built-in flashlight, a practical tool for nighttime activities or emergencies. While Garmin has yet to confirm these details, these rumored features suggest that the Instinct 3 could bridge the gap between premium models like the Fenix and the more affordable Instinct line. The Garmin Instinct 2 is known for its strong durability, GPS features, and excellent battery life, especially in solar editions. However, as technology changes, user expectations grow. Fans want significant improvements in the Instinct 3, especially where the Instinct 2 was lacking. The Instinct 2 Solar can last indefinitely in optimal sunlight. Users now want Garmin to make solar efficiency even better, providing longer battery life for adventurers on multi-week trips. Improvements in power management could also make a big difference. The MIP display on the Instinct 2 worked well, but it didn't look as appealing as the AMOLED screens on competitors like the Polar Grit X Pro or Garmin's Venue series. A rumored AMOLED option for the standard Instinct 3 could attract users who want brighter and clearer visuals, while the solar version could still focus on toughness and energy efficiency. While Instinct 2 offers GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, users hope for multi-band GPS support in Instinct 3, which would improve accuracy in harsh environments like dense forests or city areas. Features like Climb Pro and topographic maps make the Instinct 3 an excellent choice for hikers and climbers. The Instinct 3 also appeals to more users with more incredible customizability, such as interchangeable straps, more color choices, and the option to personalize watch faces. These changes would attract a broader audience, especially those who value style along with functionality. By improving in these areas, Garmin could make the Instinct 3 a top choice for adventure-ready smartwatches. The rugged smartwatch market is highly competitive, with each significant brand offering unique products. One of the most formidable competitors for the Garmin Instinct 3 could be the Suunto Vertical. This watch offers features like solar charging and offline topographic maps, which are valuable for severe hikers and outdoor explorers. While the Garmin Instinct line is known for durability and GPS, Suunto's solar models match Garmin's solar technology in terms of battery life and features. Suunto also provides real-time weather tracking and air pressure sensors, which are helpful for adventurers in harsh conditions. If Garmin enhances its map features and environmental sensors, it could compete effectively with Suunto in the outdoor market. The Coros Vertix 2 is a strong competitor, mainly because of its advanced dual-frequency GNSS positioning and top battery life. It offers up to 140 hours of standard GPS tracking, which is more than Garmin's solar models can provide. While the Garmin Instinct series typically does not have onboard music storage, the Coros Vertix 2 does, making it a better choice for athletes who want music on long runs. Garmin may need to improve battery efficiency and add music playback to reach more users. Polar's Grit X Pro targets athletes with unique features, making it a direct competitor for fitness-focused buyers. Its hill splitter and FuelWise tools give deep insights for endurance training, setting a high standard in athlete support. The Grit X Pro also has a stylish and rugged stainless steel design, appealing to users who want both style and durability. Garmin's Instinct series has usually prioritized practicality, but adding more premium design elements could improve its competitiveness against devices like Polar's Grit X Pro. Additionally, Garmin's Climb Pro and the expected recovery metrics would help it match other tools for training. The Apple Watch Ultra targets the rugged smartwatch market with a focus on luxury. It features a high-quality AMOLED display and diving certification and works well with Apple's ecosystem. In contrast, Garmin excels in outdoor activities with its superior GPS tracking and long battery life. The Ultra attracts tech-savvy users who appreciate its stylish design and everyday functionality. If Garmin offers an AMOLED model or adds more lifestyle features, it could compete more effectively with Apple's Ultra while still focusing on outdoor use. Lastly, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is a budget-friendly, rugged smartwatch. It does not match Garmin's advanced tracking or ecosystem, but it offers durability, a good AMOLED display, and military-grade toughness at a lower price. For Garmin to stay competitive in the entry-level market, it needs to maintain a significant balance between price and features as brands like Amazfit enhance their products. Thanks for watching. The success of the Instinct 3 will depend on its ability to balance innovation with practicality. If Garmin can integrate new features like Climb Pro, multi-band GPS, and a flashlight while maintaining its core identity of rugged durability, the Instinct 3 could become the ultimate outdoor smartwatch. However, Garmin must be cautious about pricing. Any significant increase could alienate its core user base. Do you think the same? Let's talk.